Hi everyone, it's Mike with Crane Realty. Hope you're all doing really well out there. We're at the start of October 2023. It's a gorgeous day outside, perfect weather. Every now and again, we actually get some decent weather that comes our way. I feel like this summer we didn't have any like super hot days. I think we broke 90 a small handful of times. Didn't really feel like a summer. We got, I think, a historically low temperature and above average rainfall, especially in July there. So now we can kind of put our feet up and enjoy some really good weather before that starts to change. But for this video, just want to focus on inventory, how that impacts our decision making, whether we're buyers or sellers, and any type of trends that we can kind of take from this information. So now that the month of September has finished, we get to see the number of new listings that has hit the market, and you can kind of get my analysis from there. So without much delay, let's get right into the numbers. So we're going to be taking a look at the past 5 years, looking at a number of new listings like I mentioned, and that'll be in like a month view. And we'll be taking a look at Ontario County. If we were to see that as far as a chart goes, it would look something like this. These tall points at the very top, that indicates our summer. And then as we come off of our summer, it does come down. We do have a very seasonal market here. People really try to hit that spring, summer, late summer into fall. Some of it's seasons of life too. I think for a lot of the listings that has hit the market, we're seeing a lot more conversations of a seasons of life situation. That's situations like a state or moving out of New York State or something like that. Not necessarily conversations based around family is growing and we need to actually find larger square footage to accommodate our lifestyle or what have you. Those conversations certainly have lessened a bit out there. But you could see we have not been able to break the 200 mark, first time pretty much ever that, well, in several years, that we've not been able to get even 1 month to break 200. So that's historically hitting a pretty big low for us. If you're to click on data, you can see here 177 new listings that have hit the market for September. Ironically, the exact same number of last September. Last year, we actually had decent numbers, but it felt like it wasn't really great. This year, you could feel it. There just really wasn't a lot out there. And with the interest rates increasing, for a lot of our buyers, it just meant that they were going to be a lot more picky about what they were willing to actually focus on. So if you're a seller out there, it's a great opportunity to actually be putting your property on the market. There's very little competition with regard to other sellers that are out there. As for buyers, keeping up that momentum, it's a frequency thing. So if you're thinking to yourself, hey, let's go take a look at this property, or maybe it doesn't hit a lot of check boxes, go see it anyway. There are a lot of times, and I've even found this with my clients, the flip side of the conversation where they say the pictures made the property look better than what it appeared to be, the opposite part of that conversation is true, where I've actually found some of my clients saying, we kind of threw this into the list. We didn't really give it much of a chance. Now that we're here, we can't believe it. This is phenomenal. So if that might be something that could help you, if there is a property out there, give it a chance, get out there, see it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future content coming out each and every week. Again, I'm Mike with Crane Realty, and I hope you have a great day.